Isn't this just the cutest thing you've ever seen? So guys, here's what I did with all of the glass that I tumbled. So I used this diamond tip drill bit to be able to drill through this glass, because I don't know, for some reason, once it's been tumbled, it feels like it gets fused together for some reason, because this drill bit is having a hard time just putting the hole through it. And I don't know if that goes with all kinds of different glass, like just a regular glass, or not. But it takes me a while, because I want to make sure that when I'm drilling, I'm not trying to force the drill bit through unnecessarily. I'm just letting the tool do what it's supposed to do. And I noticed that it just takes a lot of time. But it probably took me like 5 minutes to drill every single hole on this project. And I picked the glass that went together to make a little tiny sailboat, which is so cute. And then I'm gonna add some embellishment to it. So I'm just flicking some water, because if it gets too hot, I don't know if it's gonna break the glass. I haven't broken one yet, but I just felt like maybe it might break the glass if I don't keep flicking water to the hole to make sure that it's wet. So I'm not gonna bore you, so let's speed it up. So for the next part, I wanted to drill a hole as well with the ceramic that I tumbled, but for some reason the diamond bit did not want to work for it. I guess you have to use a different drill bit for this. So I had to go through my Dremel tool kit to see which one, and I guess the regular drill bit worked for this one instead. So I guess those are different ones, and it was easier to actually drill through the ceramic rather than the glass. For some reason it's harder, I don't know why. So here is the sailboat part, and I'm going to drill the holes that I needed. And also, when you mark the holes, you can mark it with Sharpie, so you can see where to drill. So that's what I mean. It's really easy. So this is just a little project that I wanted to do, because most of the projects were like bracelets and necklaces, which I'm going to do in another video as well. But I just wanted to do something totally unique and different for you guys, so that it's not like something common that we see every day, And I know bracelets and necklaces are pretty popular when it comes to seaglass, but I just figured something cute and ornamental maybe would be a better choice for the first project. Hi guys, so this is what I ended up with. I drilled a hole, not with this one because it wasn't drilling a hole. So I used the same diamond bit for the ceramic, although I did not submerge it in water because it wasn't doing anything. But out of the water, it started to poke the hole, to drill the hole. So I just kept like kind of dipping it in the water so it doesn't get too hot. So there is my sailboat right there. This is how I'm going to assemble it with the wire. I'm not sure how to do it just yet, but I will figure it out as soon as I change my yucky band-aid. I fell at the Home Depot parking lot the other day, and some of the injuries are still there. And this is one of the injuries, which scratches. It pulled the skin off of underneath my nail, so it just was bleeding really hard. I think I'm going to need some pliers, and I don't know how I'm going to navigate this thing. First of all, it has to be straight, so I'm going to cut this part. And I put my snippers with the bead already. I was thinking putting some beads in between. What do you think, guys? So it would look so cute with some beads. Where'd the bed come from? Gotta find the bed. I found some beads. I found them. Okay. So how do I assemble this? I'm gonna have to have a long ass. This video is not for kids. Maybe this long. I'm gonna go longer. This will be about 2 feet. Just in case, and then we'll figure out later on, do we really need 2 feet? Or do we need less than 2 feet? So I'm just like splitting it in half. This. And then I'm going to twist it. Where are my tools? Oh, I was gonna change my band-aid, but let me go change my band-aid real quick. It's really terrible when you don't have the use of your thumb. I go in here first, in these two. I may have to redo this, but because I'm trying to figure out how to do it. I think I did it wrong. I should have gone from the back to the front. Must not quit. And I'm just going to twist it. This is the first side right here. Going down that side right there. And then going in, both of them go in that one hole. Do this. Yes, you can. Give me. use one wire instead of two. So I'm gonna have to separate. Let's do this. Separate this. To go in one. And which one's this? Do I go this way or this way? This way. That way. So I'm gonna go through that hole right there. Oh wow, that was way too easy. Too easy. That was way too easy. And then I'm going to secure this. This I'm going to go this way. And in through here. Usually the first ones are the ones that turn out the best. However, it's not really cooperating with me. Okay. Now let's string the beads. And then I'm going to twist it. Oh, sure. What in the heck are you doing? I'm gonna string this in here. With all due respect, how cute is this? All right, let me just twist it. So I have to like get really close. How freaking cute is that? Ugh. Right? Now I have to glue these things together. I know that they're staying together pretty well, but I'm still going to do it anyway. Get out of here, you. If I had a twister, this would be so easy, 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 easy. But I don't have one. Okay, so we know that 2 feet was way too long. We have all of this extra. So, I don't know. Let's see what we can do about this. Because right now we're doing pretty well. I think this is way too much. I don't know. Should I do this like this? Maybe. No, why not? Why not? Get it? Not. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. How do I have to figure out a way to seal it and close it down? That's way too much wire, that's why. And what I can do is just put a dot of glue there so that nobody gets hurt. But how cute is that? And you can tie something, make it just like a, you know, for your window. And let me see what I can do, figure something out.